Hey everyone, Morgan here. It is time to give the Dehydrator, my solar dehydrator, its first maiden voyage. All right, so the first thing that I am dehydrating in this is broccoli. Broccoli takes around maybe 8 hours or so to dehydrate, so this is why I chose it as the first thing. You know, it takes very little time. Unfortunately, at the time of starting this, it was very sunny, and now it's kind of cloudy, and I'm not really sure if it's gonna clear up. I hope so, but we'll see. All right, it's all closed up, and we should start to see some activity within the next few hours. So, and in case you were wondering, the best way to dehydrate broccoli just in general, no matter what type of dehydrator you use, is to blanch it first to get a little bit of green on there. And you know, a couple minutes, not very long, 2 to 3 minutes, just blanch it and then put it in there. There you go. All right, so it's actually been a pretty cloudy day today, and even on a cloudy day, it was dehydrating pretty good. Now, it is not fully dehydrated, but some of these little pieces are definitely dehydrating. You know, I mean, this whole, like this one is getting pretty crispy. So this whole thing is getting dehydrated. Like you can see the signs of dehydrating. And so it's looking good, but it was very, very cloudy today. But I'm seeing signs that it is working. So we're going to come back tomorrow and we're going to dehydrate more. But there's obvious signs of it working a lot. There are, very, very small pieces are very crumbly, which is a good sign, but it's going to need more time. So we're going to go ahead and put this inside for tonight. And then tomorrow morning, first thing, we're going to put this out. Take a peek here. Well, you guys just can't see that at all. Okay, let's try that again. All right, so it's been sitting out in the sun all day and it is dehydrated. Let me show you how I know. See, I can feel that it's crispy and I can see that it's crispy. As you can see, it's kind of going to powder. That is how you know that it's dehydrated. Yeah! I'm so excited when something comes together and it looks great. I'm so excited. I think I may have dehydrated it just a little bit. Some people say there's no such thing as over dehydrating, but I think when you're solar dehydrating, there might be such a thing as over dehydrating, but it looks good. It smells great. I'm so excited and I'm so happy that it worked. Now, one thing that we have to keep in mind with dehydrating with the sun specifically is that a lot of stuff may take like overnight, but with like fruits and vegetables, as long as they're raw and they're not cooked, before you do it, it should be okay. And I think even if you blanch them a little bit, it probably won't be that big a deal, but I'm not even sure. I'm gonna try not blanching it and seeing how that works, just because with the sun, it's so much more direct, and especially in the Arizona sun, it's just so much more focused, and I'm not sure how to describe it, but anyway, I think that it may work without blanching it, some of this stuff. So, leaving it overnight is not that big a deal. What I've been doing is I've been strapping, I've been putting a ratchet strap around the top here so that this doesn't fly off, and two, it just stays secure so nothing gets in. And I've never had a problem with ants or literally anything else. So, I mean, this is pretty secure. I'm very, very, very happy with this. Thanks for coming along with me on my first ever solar dehydrating journey. There will be many more solar dehydrating videos just to show you guys how it's working with different types of foods. When it comes to meats, what I think I'm going to do is smoke them. I don't think I'm going to dehydrate meats in here. We'll see how it goes. If the meat is not dehydrated in a period of time of a day, I'm not going to leave the night. I'm not going to leave the meat overnight. So if that doesn't work, then I'll just be smoking it, and I'm good with that. I'm actually going to be making a primitive smoker, so I'm very excited about that too. I'm so excited for this. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Talk to y'all later. Bye. And there's my bag of dehydrated broccoli. Bada boom.